Hey everyone, it's Tu from Cleverific, and today I'm going to show you how to customize Cleverific's self-serve customer portal. On the order status page here, you'll see that I've already enabled self-serve, and it comes out of the box pretty much with these standard options, which is to allow customers to change shipping address, edit their order, or add an item. And normally you would see 30 minutes left to edit this order, but because I'm demoing it, I gave myself a little bit more time. So here's how we go and change some of these options. Go ahead and go to your Shopify admin, and under Cleverific, we can go to customer portal. And what you can do here, decide how long customers have to make changes. I'm going to extend it to 2 hours. I will also allow customers to cancel their orders. And those two things have automatically saved. So all I need to do is go back and refresh my order page. You can see that now there's 2 hours, an additional option to cancel an order. And optionally, you can go and do this as many times as you want. So I've changed my mind. I don't want customers to cancel orders. I also don't want them to add items to order, change shipping method, or anything. And we'll see what that looks like. Okay, so now they can only change shipping address. And this is a pretty easy way to get started with self-serve. If you're unsure about what to give access to customers, you can just start with allowing them to change shipping address, and you'll cut down quite a few customer service tickets just with one option. Thanks for watching.